Hey guys, I'm Ethan Moore from Stockroom Supply. Got an email from Sitz who had a little problem with his drum. The Velcro started to separate on the end here. So if you come over here, this is kind of what I'm talking about. This is an 18-inch drum. If you look on the tip here, you can see how this end has separated after a long period of time. I know Sitz has had his drum for over 10 years now. This adhesive can begin to separate. So a simple way to fix this, if you catch it in time, a little bit of CA glue right on the tip here, and then you just press it back down. Usually is all it really takes to fix that. Now, Sitz, though, he didn't do that, so as you can see here, the Velcro really started to peel off. Now, there is no real way to fix this unless you send it back to us. So we do offer a service where we will remove the Velcro, we will remachine the drum, and we will put new Velcro on the drum for guys, because without a machine, it's nearly impossible to get this adhesive off that drum. So I'll show you guys how we do that in just a second here. Alright, so I got the drum all finished up for Sitz here. So basically, you guys saw me, I remachined it and then put new Velcro on that. So it's essentially a brand new drum. So when we do this, we charge for the Velcro, how much Velcro requires, as well as you guys pay the shipping, but we don't charge any labor. So if anybody needs a repair on a drum, you can email us at info@stockroomsupply.com and we can help you out. And if you have any other questions, comment on the video, send us an email, and if you want to see future videos, please subscribe. Thank you much.